Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the core components now: wheels, axles, hubs, and a reinforced hull. Place a flat, wide base so weight distributes evenly and the hull won't tip. Once done, enable rotation snap and grid to line axles precisely. This prevents wobble later. Now position axle mounts at equal distances from centerline so the torque stays balanced. Make sure to use metal plates under each mount to spread stress. This reduces breakage when you add big tires and climb terrain. Next, you attach axles to the reinforced mounts and secure them tightly. 2 or more bolts per mount reduce flex. Install wheel hubs onto axles and slide the big tires on, leaving about 0. 5-to-1 block of clearance so wheels don't rub the hull. Once mounted, rotate each wheel to confirm free spin. Use the grid to check yaw symmetry across both sides. If one wheel lags or scrapes, loosen fasteners, realign the hub, and red-itin so the whole assembly spins true. Finish by tuning. Add dampeners or small suspension blocks near axles to soak impacts. This keeps large wheels from popping off when you hit obstacles. Balance weight by moving heavy components toward the center and lowering their height so the craft remains stable. Stability prevents wheel binding. Finally, test drive slowly and watch for wobble. If wobble appears, isolate whether it's axle bend, hub misalignment, or insufficient clearance. Correct that single issue. Red-itin mounts and retest to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.